What is it? Cook Inlet, you said? Let's see your Alaskan gear. So what do you have there? Some OG slippers, jeans, and a big parka. So we're trying to figure out still if this is Cook Inlet or Arctic Ocean by Scott's judgment, the Alaskan. He provides us with the information that this is the Cook Inlet.
Tourist, okay.
Oh, you're what?
I'm your tourist.
He's a tourist. You mean tour guide? Wow. So, excuse me for shaking the camera. It's just really cold. You can see the water moving. Railroad tracks run through here only in the summer. And those mountains are covered by low-lying clouds. Very beautiful. This car we came in, which is a Jeep Cherokee. This is the highway we were on. Old Seward Highway. Car coming that way. And this is what California's wearing in Alaska. How do I look?
Beautiful.
And
You got your Eskimo hoodie.
yeah, I'm freezing my ass off right now. So move in. I just started watching.